imbitahin niya muna yung mga organizations na kontra, the women's organizations, the religious, bago, puro pro-transgender inimbita eh. Huwag ganun.
Paano makita mo ulit?
They bring it back to the floor without the side of those who are against it. Aba, we will move to bring it back to the committee.
Sir, ano naman yung assurance na, sir, sa mga tunay na babae when it comes to misogyny?
Well, the assurance is that we will make sure that we fight for the women's rights.
Sir, so ano yung sa pakipag-usap niyo sa mga kasamahan niyo, mukha bang mas maraming anti, mas maraming pro?
Sa mga 24.
24, sir. Ano yung chance?
I would rather think that there are more who are pro women's rights. There are more who are pro religious freedom. There are more pro academic freedom. That's all I can say.